he escape this Indian gaur had? This tiger wasn't in the mood to miss such a delicate dinner. But this gaur had some really cool moves, which led him out of trouble. This lion was way too skilled to attack the yak. Look at how much bravery he showed while sitting atop the animal though. He couldn't succeed, but the attempt was really cool.